What do you want? I'm trying to destroy this box so one day I can destroy the world. Can't you see? Can you not see me? I'm busy. Next time, leave me alone.
Hello, my fellow NQTs. Does your child embarrass you in the mosque or during special events? Here's a teacher who will give you the secrets of getting your little one to focus when you need it. Now, before we start the video, I am always giving my NQTs new tips. So subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get your unlimited dose of tips. Just like our other video, top tips for homeschooling. Another thing I'd like you guys to do is, if your child has ever embarrassed you, write help down in the comments below, just so we all know we're on the same page. Okay, let's start on our tips. Tip number 1, the right backpack. First things first, give your child some ownership. Let them carry their own bag full of toys so you don't have all that extra weight on your buggy or on your shoulder. Fill it with healthy snacks, because snacks can keep your child occupied too, like dried fruits, nuts, and if they have allergies, just something nice and sweet. Avoid junk food or feeding them anything sugary, because all your hard work will disappear if their minds are controlled by sugar. Tip number 2, the right toys. Open-ended toys. Now, this is an important step. This will make or break your stay. Bring open-ended toys. Now, these toys are toys that feed the imagination, which fortunately for us, kids don't run out of. Toys such as Lego, blocks, tea sets, pneumacons, anything that will just keep their imagination flowing. And these will keep your child sitting in one place. Now, importantly, if they are 7 or over, you could get them to write keywords in the lecture. So maybe they might not be able to write everything that Iman is saying, but if they could write keywords, they'll pick up on bits and bobs, maybe for just 10 minutes, and increase it slowly the older they get. Encourage your children to write notes as soon as they are able to write, and give them a little reward for doing so. I'll explain what kind of rewards they can get. Then let them play. It will build that love of learning and love of going to the mosque. Tip number 3, rewards, also known as surprises. Now, rewards are the simplest things, or surprises are the simplest things. You could go to your local pound store and buy some toys. Now, make sure you don't show these to your children and store them away for special occasions. These can be put in your child's rucksack, or even toys you've stored away that they don't get to play with often. These make them seem like something new and exciting. Not only was it just £1 because they're all something they haven't seen in a long time, but it will keep them preoccupied. You can use it as a prize. You don't have to go out and buy something that's £50. And they will always look forward to going to the mosque with you. And you might even be a special mosque toy that they don't get to play with anywhere else apart from in the mosque when they go. So it will just give them that excitement that they need. Number 4, if they show them really good behavior at an event or in the mosque, give them reward. Go to the park, or when you get home, they get 5 minutes extra on the iPad. Just give them something that they really like. It doesn't have to be something brand new that you've bought, but just maybe an activity they like to do. Maybe if they don't get to play with Play-Doh often, they can play with Play-Doh. Number 5, set the boundaries. Now, before you start any of the tips I've given you, you need to make sure you set the boundaries. Give them 5 rules they must follow, and if they keep with them, you can give them a good reward or a surprise at the end of the day. Press the like button if you enjoyed the video, and write a comment below and let me know how it worked for you. Share this with someone who is dying for this advice. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where I can interact with you even more, and I'll be posting up updates of new videos. Bye NQTs, thank you, or should I say Assalamu alaikum.